Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I am back with another product from Clever Fox. This is a reading journal. They reached out to me, as I mentioned in the previous video, which I'll link in the iCard up above, and asked if I would be interested in reviewing a few products. So this is another one of those products. This is a hardcover A5 5.8 by 8.3 reading journal. So I have recently shared a reading journal that I was using. It was a dot grid notebook that I was customizing, kind of bullet journal style, to use for or as a reading journal. I was setting that up on a monthly basis, and then I got to a point where I wasn't reading at all, and I kind of just dropped it. I'll link to those videos if you want to see how I set it up in the iCard up above, so you can check that out. But let's get the plastic off. This is another option. I also recently purchased a A5 rings notebook from Printpression, considering using that to have a loose leaf or ring bound style reading journal instead of a bound book. But I was also interested in checking out what Clever Fox has to offer. I haven't opened this, of course. I haven't looked at it really in detail. Just saw a few pictures on the website. It says, use this reading journal to keep detailed notes on the books you read, record your thoughts and favorite quotes, analyze and rank each book you've finished, track your reading habit with a daily tracker. It has a monthly reading log, daily reading tracker, books to read list, reading list and index, 2 pages per book, thick no bleed paper, lay flat binding, and pocket for loose notes. So it sounds like it has everything. And if you are not into drawing your spreads out bullet journal style, this would be perfect. It sounds like it has journaling prompts, daily reading tracker. Okay. All right, let's go in, because journaling prompts kind of scares me a little bit, but I think they mean just to show you where to fill in the information. All right, so you got a how it works page in here with all the information on the different sections. And there's the back. Okay, I like that, and it fits in. I wonder if it'll fit in the pocket. Let's jump to the back. You got an elastic closure. This is the pocket. You got 3 bookmarks, a golden, yellow, gray, and black. And then you got some books related stickers. So that's what the stickers look like. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Got some flags. Super book aged like wine. I like this stack of books right there. That's pretty nice. Okay, those are cool. Warranty card, 60-day money back guarantee, no questions asked. Clever Fox. And then let's see if this will fit in there. I got a feeling it won't, because this pocket is a little smaller. Oh no, it'll fit. Perfect. Great, okay. So everything will fit in that back pocket. You got your bookmarks. Now let's see what this is all about. Clever Fox Reading Journal. If you found this, please be kind and return. Title page. It's got an index. Wow. So the index has a place for page, contents, rating. Then we have the reading log. Maybe I need to look at this because I'm not sure what to do. Let me get it back out. So the index, let's see. All right, so you put what page the book is on, the name of the book by, and then how you rate it. That's the index. That's kind of what I thought. Then the reading log, keep track of all the books you read throughout the year using a dedicated reading log. This way you can visualize your reading journey and see how many books you've read. Use the index at the front of the book. I'm doing things out of order, sorry. Use the index at the front of the book. To easily locate any information you need. To do so, simply add the page number and the book's name to the table. You can also add your rating for each book in the right column. Okay, that may be a little redundant putting the rating on the index, but I don't know. It depends on what you need. Okay, this reading log just seems strange. Like you would, I don't know. When I'm really reading a lot, and I listen to a lot of audiobooks too, because then I can design and craft at the same time. I would fill this up like in a couple of weeks because I listen quickly. So anywho, this is the daily reading tracker. Look at that. Can you see it? That's pretty cool. I like the way it's set up. And this is how you fill it out. This tracker will help you track your daily reading habit and ensure you regularly read all year long. So it has January through December and 1 through 31, and then the little squares to fill in. This is perfect. If you don't want to decorate it and draw it, this is perfect. Books to read, that's kind of self-explanatory. List any books you want to read on these pages. This way you can ensure you remember them all and always have something exciting to read next. Yes. Then reading list, and add every new book you finish to this reading list. You can also add the date you started and finished reading each book here. I like this. This is like, I keep track of a lot of this on Goodreads, but I also like to have, you know, a written record of it. So books read, or books to be, okay. So book, date started, date finished. I don't know that that's enough space for some of us. Let's see. Then this is the book review page. It's a lot more detailed. It's 2 pages. It has a space for the page count, the type of book, fiction or nonfiction, title, author, genre or subject, date started, date finished, year published, themes, and then it has this wheel: setting, enjoyment, writing, characters, plot, readability, overall rating. So you can rate it in the wheel. And then I guess this is what they mean by the prompts. What did you think of the book? What will you take away from it? What was the aim of the book and how well did the author fulfill it? Would you recommend this book to others? Who is the target audience? 1 sentence book review. I don't know that I would want to fill all of that out because I read a lot of series and I get so caught up in the series, I'm right on to the next book. But sometimes I do want to just list my thoughts, and I like that you have a full page here for thoughts and notes. I mean, I could just ignore the prompts and use this for extra writing space. And where would you put the book cover? So that's one thing that's not here. I guess you could put it over here because I would like to also have a sticker of the book cover. So then you have all these pages. Oh, and the pages are numbered. That's awesome. Okay, that's great for the index. That makes sense. They're heavyweight paper. I'm guessing it's 120 GSM, which is around 32 pounds. That's what it feels like. So you have all of these pages. Does it tell you how many pages you have? So up to 121. So from page, wow, that's a lot. From page 12 to 121. So all of this is for your book review, which is this. Okay. And then you have 8 lined pages in the back. And that's it. It is bound well. I don't see it wearing out. Let's see, you can put your bookmarks, your review pages, reading list, and daily tracker. That's nice. And there are other colors. I didn't mention that in my in the binder review or first impressions, but they do have other colors. I chose black because I just like a basic black notebook or planner. That works for me. It also has a pen loop, elastic pen loop. This is very nice. And again, it doesn't have those thick black headers that journals seem to enjoy having. It's a very light gray. So whatever you put on the page is what's going to stand out, not the design on the page or the text on the page. So I like that. Will I be using this? I don't know. I kind of want to, because all the work is already done. Of course, I could print some inserts and fill them in. It doesn't have like a bookshelfie and all that extra stuff. It doesn't have a Goodreads tracker, but you do have some pages in the back that you could customize and add that in if you wanted to. You could also tip in pages in the front if you wanted to add things like that in. Let's see. Yeah, you could tip things in. It will probably be best in the back though, since most of these spreads are 2 pages. So books to read is 2 pages, reading list is 2 pages, and then you get into the book reviews. So yeah, but I think it's really nice. If you don't want to do a lot of extra work, you just want to keep track of what you're reading. It's all the work is done for you. You just pick up your notebook and go. So let me know what you think about this reading journal. I'm really impressed with the layout and what they have inside. Looks like a lot of thought went into that. I'm just looking to see if it says what the paper is. It doesn't, but I think they use 120 GSM, pretty standard. But I will link to this in the description box below if you want to go check it out. Again, let me know what you think of it in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And you may be interested in this other video. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.